So I'm going to take this really slim brow pencil from Maybelline, and using the brush, I'm going to brush my hairs in the direction that they naturally grow in. And as you can see in the front, my hairs go up and out. Then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm filling in any gaps, any spaced out areas that are throughout my brow. And once again, I'm going in the direction that my brows naturally grow in. And I use a really light hand. I'm just pretty much creating the illusion of extra hairs throughout my brow so that it can look as natural as possible. And as I get to the end, I just create a little bit of a tail, but I make sure not to go too far out past the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just filling in the front part going upward, since that's the direction that my brows grow towards the front. And then I'm blending everything out with that brush again. And I pretty much go back and forth until I get the fullness that I like, as you can see the difference here. And then I just went back in to create more of a sharper tail with the pencil, and I'm repeating the process on the other side. I just went on ahead and sped through it, but you can still see how I'm creating more hair-like strokes throughout the brow. And I make sure not to go past the outer corner, as you can see here. And then I work my way to the front and go upward in the direction that my brows go to fill in the front as well. We're going to blend it once more to make sure that the product is completely blended. And then I'm going to clean up with some concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm using a small angled brush. And I go along the outline of my brow. I try not to take it into my brow because you don't want to mess your brows up that way. And I just drag it down along the bottom as well as carve along the top. And as I get to the end, I just put a little bit of extra pressure and carve out the tail until I get it as nice and sharp as I want it to. And then I take a brush and blend everything out. Because I'm going to go ahead and do a full face, it doesn't bother me to use a lighter concealer because I'm going to cover it up with foundation anyway. But if you're someone that just wants to stick with, just brows, I would highly recommend a concealer or foundation that matches your skin tone. That way you don't have to worry about the highlighted look around your brows. So this is how my brows look once I am done. They're a lot more fuller, but they still have that more natural, soft finish. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.